When you're outdoors, things can go really well or really wrong. You never know what might happen out there, and it's not always safe. But the good news is, if you're prepared, you can handle almost anything. That's why we've put together a list of Doomsday survival gadgets and tools you might need. Let's begin. When you're rolling in wild terrain and there is darkness everywhere, all you need is a source of light. That's when you reach for the Nebo Luxstream rechargeable spotlight. With a single press, its powerful beam cuts through the dark and guides you back to safety. This spotlight is equipped with an impressive 2000 lumen output, offering a beam that reaches up to 1,000 meters or about 32 to 80 feet. This means you can spot animals from afar or light up a worksite with ease. The spotlight is designed with a durable body and a high-powered LED light that can withstand drops and harsh conditions. You can choose between 3 modes: high, low, and strobe, depending on your lighting needs. The high mode provides maximum brightness for long-distance visibility, while the low mode is perfect for conserving battery life during extended use. In essence, the Nebo Luxstream rechargeable spotlight helps you when you need it most. The Nightcore NWL-20 flashlight is a must-have for any prepper's gear, offering dependable versatility across critical survival scenarios. Built for everything from camping and outdoor exploration to high-stakes roles like law enforcement, hunting, and military operations, this compact flashlight fits right into a bug-out bag or pocket without taking up too much space. Its dual output allows for adaptable lighting options, letting you conserve battery power or boost brightness based on your needs. The NWL-20's replaceable battery feature is a huge plus, making it a reliable choice for extended use or emergencies when recharging isn't possible. Designed for powerful beams, it's a solid choice for search and rescue, ensuring long-distance visibility and enhanced detail with high CRI options. Lightweight yet durable, the NWL-20 is ready for anything from nighttime hikes to emergency rescues, helping preppers stay prepared in any low-light situation they might encounter. The Spark necklace offers preppers a unique blend of style and survival functionality, combining a fire-starting tool with everyday wearability. This necklace isn't just for looks. It's equipped with a powerful ferro rod capable of producing sparks at a blistering 5,500 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to ignite a flame no matter the conditions. Crafted with a ceramic scraper 10 times tougher than steel, it's built to withstand repeated use, offering thousands of strikes for reliable fire starting over time. The ceramic tool isn't just for sparks either. It doubles as a handy multi-purpose tool with functions ranging from a gouge and spoon knife to a seatbelt cutter, awl and saw. Handcrafted in the USA and available in plain or patterned stone designs, this necklace comes with an adjustable leather strap, ensuring it's as comfortable as it is functional. Free from harmful chemicals, the Spark necklace brings peace of mind, making it an essential piece for any prepper seeking convenience and utility on the go. Survival Frog's canned meats are an ideal addition to any prepper's stash, promising a solid shelf life of at least 5 years with the potential to last up to 25 years or more under the right conditions. This longevity stems from their precise canning method. Raw meat is hand-packed into cans and pressure-cooked, sealing in both quality and freshness. To get the most life from these cans, store them in a cool, dark place, ideally at a steady 50 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. These cans come with a manufacturing date code, which tells you the type of meat and the exact production date, helpful for tracking inventory over the years. In the event of an emergency, their smaller 14.5-ounce cans are handy since they reduce waste when refrigeration isn't available. Otherwise, once opened, the meat lasts 3-4 days in the fridge. With options like beef, chicken, and ground beef, Survival Frog's canned meats is a practical, protein-rich backup plan in any prepper's pantry. The GM300 series radiation detector by Sestson is essential for any prepper serious about monitoring environmental hazards. This compact, lightweight device is equipped with a TFT LCD and delivers alerts via sound, light, voice, and vibration, ensuring no unnoticed exposure to radiation. It uses GM tube detectors to provide accurate beta, gamma, and X-ray readings, making it suitable for diverse scenarios. With its 2200 mAh battery, Type-C charging, and fast and smooth operation modes, the GM300 is designed for reliability on the go. It even features a 1-hour curve map for real-time radiation exposure tracking, automatic accumulation, and manual reset options. For those looking to expand their monitoring toolkit, Wanyi Technology also offers a range of specialized detectors and sensors. From nuclear radiation detectors to industrial-grade water turbidity sensors, these products deliver precise data outputs, ideal for long-term prepping and staying informed about environmental conditions. As a prepper, being ready for CBRN threats is essential, and the Avon Protection NH15 CBRN Air Purifying Escape Respirator is a compact, reliable solution for such emergencies. Designed with first responders, military personnel, and corrections officers in mind, this escape hood offers critical respiratory, eye, and face protection for at least 15 minutes, enough time to evacuate dangerous environments. Its small and compact size makes it easy to store and carry, yet it doesn't compromise protection. The clear material ensures that communication remains clear and non-threatening, even in high-stress scenarios. Twin low-profile filters reduce both breathing resistance and the risk of snagging, while a front reflector enhances visibility in low-light conditions. With a 5-year shelf life, the NH15 is always ready when needed, and it's been rigorously tested. NIOSH CBRN approved and CE marked, this escape respirator is critical to any prepper's Doomsday survival kit. The Mira Safety Mop 1 CBRN protective suit provides full body protection for biological threats. This next-gen suit offers full body protection while being lightweight, weighing only 2.5 kilos, which is significantly less than traditional hazmat suits. Designed for extended use, it can be worn continuously for up to 30 days and decontaminated 10 times without losing effectiveness. The Mop 1 incorporates advanced carbon spheres in its semi-permeable construction, which allows breathability while absorbing harmful contaminants. Its full front military-grade zipper and adjustable waist make it easy to put on, ensuring a secure fit for various body types. Double-layer enclosures at the wrists and ankles ensure a tight seal, protecting against vapor and gas intrusion, and the integrated hood works seamlessly with most gas masks. A powerful and versatile light source is important in emergencies, and the Streamlight Lightbox fills that criteria. Designed for industrial use, this rechargeable floodlight lantern boasts 4 powerful LEDs and shallow reflectors, delivering a wide beam pattern perfect for illuminating large spaces. With an articulating head, you can direct light precisely where you need it, and the large push-button switch makes it easy to operate, even with gloves on. Available in 2 configurations, the standard system includes a shoulder strap, AC/DC charge cords, and a charging rack, while the vehicle mount system adds a direct wire vehicle mountable rack for mobile use. Offering 2 brightness modes, the Lightbox provides 1,500 lumens on high with a 7.5-hour runtime and 350 lumens on low for up to 17.75 hours. Compact and lightweight at just over 3 pounds, this lantern is ideal for emergency power outages, worksite lighting, or any outdoor situation requiring reliable illumination. A machete like the Condor Rude Boy can be used in a variety of situations, including Doomsday. Crafted by Joe Flowers, a respected blade designer inspired by Latino culture and the machete-making traditions of El Salvador, where it's produced, this tool blends heritage with functionality. Imacasa, a renowned global leader in machete production, forges the Rude Boy, With its 18-inch length and 2.5mm blade thickness, this machete is built for most tasks, whether it's clearing brush, building shelter, or defending yourself. Flowers designed the handle in the style of a typical Latin American machete, a design that's been proven effective and used worldwide. Lightweight yet sturdy, the Rude Boy machete is a versatile and dependable tool every prepper should consider. Emergency radio is a good emergency radio for any Doomsday kit, combining a weather radio, flashlight, SOS siren, and a 2000 mAh USB power bank. This compact device ensures you're prepared for a variety of survival situations. Whether it's tuning into AM, FM, or weather bands, the radio gives you vital information with up to 14 hours of runtime. Its versatility shines through multiple charging options: hand crank, solar, USB input, or AA batteries, which boast a 10-year shelf life. In addition to staying informed, the two LED flashlights provide up to 120 lumens of brightness, while the SOS light and siren are life-saving tools for signaling distress. The built-in power bank can even recharge your cell phone in a pinch, making this all-in-one device a reliable and indispensable tool for emergencies. Certified for quality, it operates in temperatures ranging from -10 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, ready to withstand harsh conditions.